Presenting Gocator from LMI Technologies. Our Gocator all-in-one 3D smart sensors are trusted worldwide for automated inline inspection and material optimization. As all-in-one solutions, Gocator smart sensors combine 3D scanning, measurement, and control in a single device. Advanced web technologies deliver a powerful user interface to any web browser with no external PCs or controllers required. This makes Gocator easy to integrate into existing inspection systems, therefore minimizing system costs and maximizing product quality and throughput by automatically executing pass-fail controls. All Gocators are factory pre-calibrated, so users can immediately set up the sensor out of the box and be confident that the measurements are mapped to real-world coordinates. It's simple to point it at an object and instantly from a web browser see a complete profile or 3D point cloud, depending on the Gocator model. You can also easily configure functions such as exposure, triggering logic, and output communication methods directly from the web interface. There are 3 types of Gocator sensors to fit your quality control inspection needs or your specific application. First, single-point profile sensors can measure 3D thickness, height, and surface roughness by combining single points at very high speeds of up to 32,000 Hz to create a profile. Next, line profile sensors can rapidly create cross-sectional profiles for measuring features of an object's surface. And by moving the object under the laser line or through the movement of the sensor, the multiple profiles can be combined into a full 3D shape for surface or volumetric analysis. Finally, structured light snapshot sensors generate high-density 3D data models of a stationary target using stereo cameras and fringe projection. Additionally, the diverse range of Gocator models within each sensor type are available to meet your desired speed, resolution, and field of view requirements. Setting up Gocator is fast and easy. Use your favorite web browser to access and control Gocator with drag and drop functionality. The best thing is that no programming knowledge is required to get started. Gocator's built-in tools provide a full suite of measurement capabilities to solve a wide range of inspection challenges. Calculate widths, heights, angles, radiuses, and a multitude of combinations to measure exactly what you're looking to inspect. Gocator is more than just a sensor. There's a complete inspection ecosystem inside every Gocator. Need a wider or better view? Easily create dual or multi-sensor networks of up to 24 seamlessly connected Gocators to increase the field of view and scan coverage without compromising quality. Plus, sensor synchronization is automatic and simple to manage. Customize Gocator with LMI's Gocator Development Kit. Gain complete control to manage and customize measurement tools to meet your application needs. Gocator makes 3D scanning and inspection easy. Start thinking of Gocator today to solve your quality control needs.